Okay, so we got the underarm seam. We're gonna back stitch. Making sure I'm not going over any pins. Okay. You should have an indicator here to tell you when to stop, okay? Okay, want to back stitch. And then, this is the tricky part, but not so tricky. So, you're going to turn your fabric. Foot back down. You can take your pin out, so you want to go over your pin. Okay, so now we're going to go down this area here into the pocket. We're going to back stitch. You're going to back stitch again just to make sure. This is a high stress area, so you want to make sure we're covering our ground, so making sure we tighten up that area. Okay, same method. Pull up the foot. Put it back down. This is called pivot. Okay, take our pins out. So you're just letting the fabric glide, right? Letting it glide. Okay, we're going to take this pin out here. You don't want to go around pins, right? Okay. So this is how it should look, okay? Just like that. Okay, we're going to back stitch. High stress point. And a little bit. Back stitch. Okay, we're going to pivot. sure everything is flat. Okay, down the foot. Okay, I'm going to take this last pin out. Excellent. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you're going to open up your seams. You're going to give it a very good press on this side, and you're going to turn it inside out, and you're going to give it a very good press on the right side. You're going to press it really nicely and sharp, okay? And then from there, you're going to turn it onto itself, and you're going to stitch down the seam, okay? So it won't fray. See, that's tacky. It's unprofessional. So we want to, if you have a serger, you can serge this off. But let me point something out regarding the serger. So if your serger comes in too close and cuts off this stitch, you're gonna have to go back and create another stitch to make sure this is a tight stitch. So your serger has thread that is going along the seam line, right? The edge of the seam. If it cuts this off, you'll have to go back and sew another stitch, okay? Because once you turn it inside out, you'll see the loose stitches, and we just want to keep it polished, okay? So the next step is you all are going to do the same thing what we did on this side. You're going to do on the opposite side as well. So the next step is I'm going to see you all at the iron station. Thank you.